Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. The situation of Shiba Inu is quite interesting. It can give surprise at any time. And we've already seen that the price line has broken out the resistance of this wedge, and you can see for the past several days it is still moving above the resistance of this wedge even after this breakout. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. This is the daily time frame chart, and we have already seen that the price line started the formation of this falling wedge pattern after 27th of October, and you can see that since after 27th of October up till 29th of November it was moving in this falling wedge. Here we had a fake out, and here we also had some spikes above or beyond the resistance of this wedge, and here the price line finally moved out of this resistance of the falling wedge. But so far we are not having any buying volume that can support this breakout. However, the price line is still moving above the resistance of this wedge. If there will be more buying volume entered in the market, it can start a very big move from here. And you can see that for the past 10 days, more than 10 days, it is moving above this resistance. And here, the price line had a long spike to the downside, tested even the support of this wedge, but moved back above this resistance. Now, for example, if we will have a small rally and the price line will have another rejection from there, then we will need to put our resistance here, because in that situation we will have a few touch points here and another touch point here, and once the price line will be rejected by this resistance, then this resistance will be confirmed and the price line will form another down channel. However, so far this is the formation of the falling wedge, and the price line is still moving above the resistance of this falling wedge. Now, if we take a look at the support that I was showing you in my previous video as well, let me replace the trend line at the support, then we can see that we have previously I was placing my trend line here, but we can see that we have more touch points here at 0.000032 dollars, and we have several touch points here when it was breaking as a resistance, and now we have a few touch points here as well, and the price line is still moving above this support. So unless this support is not broken down, we cannot expect any big fall, and we can hope that the price line can have a powerful reversal above this support, because this is really very strong support. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. That is also a very nice gesture, because once the stochastic will give us the buying signal, like previously it gave the buying signal here from the oversold zone, we had a small rally which broke out the resistance of this a falling wedge, and here the stochastic gave the buying signal, and we had a very powerful rally up to $0.000088, and the price line rejected and moved down. So we are having very nice support. We are still moving above this resistance, so we can expect that the price line can have a reversal unless this support will be not broken down. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.